warm welcome to you and thank you so much for joining us in this special program brought to you by Shelter Incorporated. Today we've taken the time to come to Adelaide Park where we're seeing the sewer treatment plant, and we're looking forward to Engineer Chigwanda being able to share with us some of the processes that are taking place in being able to ensure that they do assist the community within Adelaide Airport. Engineer, thank you so much for taking the time to speak with us today.
Thank you.
Maybe you could start off by letting us know a bit about the development of the sewer treatment plant we have here, the daily volumes, and a few more information.
This plant was commissioned in 2018. It's designed to treat a volume of 1.58 megaliters per day. However, due to the water shortages that prevail in Adelaide, we're treating a lot less than the design volume.
Right. And then what would you also then highlight as the major treatment process that this plant offers?
The major treatment process of this plant is a unique design by a company called Ozotec, one of its kind in Zimbabwe, if not the first one. And it uses a system which we call biofiltration. So the raw water comes from what you're seeing here is a holding pond. It goes to a biofiltration tank which is up the road, and then goes through a system of 6 settlement tanks. And then at the end of the process, we treat the effluent with what we call UV light to kill all the bacteria. Okay. So it's unique.
Extremely unique. And then also we do appreciate that there are issues of challenges for energy. How are you managing with regards to the amount of power required to capacitate the plant?
At the moment, because the plant is off-grid, we're using a generator. Our generator consumes on a daily basis 23.5 kilowatt. We do not have standby power apart from the generator. We have made an application to the end users to connect us to the grid, but that is a process which we hope will be realized soon.
Right. And how would you go so far as to highlight the monitoring and management of the plant?
The plant is monitored and controlled.
Controlled, yes.
By our team here on site. Yeah, basically that's what happens. It's looked after during working hours from 7 to 5 o'clock.
Right. And then also being able to ensure that there's compliance with issues around the sustainability. Maybe you're going to share with us a bit of the environmental component that the plant also contributes to.
In terms of the environment, we are required by law to make sure that our effluent is tested and complies to environmental management agenda standards. So every now and again, we do take samples and send them to EMA and other laboratories to make sure that our end product is compliant.
That's it. Engineer Chigwanda, thank you so much for your time. I'm looking forward to also appreciating a bit more on the works here at the plant. We look forward to speaking to you again later.
You're welcome.
Well, that brings us to the end of this segment. Once again, we do compel you to also keep sending us your questions, comments, and your contributions on our social media platform. That's it for now.